How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing movie and TV shows application to your Fire Stick or Android TV device. It's totally free to use and pretty easy to set up. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this Fire Stick app to your device. And first of all, you will have to get this app to your Fire Stick, which is called Downloader. If you don't already have it, you can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and now that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got the Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So let's open them, go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it. And now here is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And there we go. And now there is the Downloader. Open it up. And now all you have to do in here is open the search bar. And there, in the search, we will need to enter a code. So the code will be 959386. So once again, 959386. That's the code you have to enter. And then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to your device. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go to the list of applications on your Fire TV stick. We will open it, and here at the bottom you will find this new application which we got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open this app. And now here finally you get access to thousands of movies and TV shows. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.